Have you ever wondered if you have enough filament left to complete a project? And do you know how to determine that? For example, this beautiful James the Printer pot needs its lid. But let's say you're close to the end of the spool of filament and you're not sure how much filament you have left to complete your project. And you don't have this filament in stock. What you want to do is go into your slicer and take a look and see what the object weighs. So we're slicing this right now. Let's say just the lid. You finish this part of the container. So the lid itself will take 94.82 grams. So what you want to do to see if you have enough filament for this lid is you take your spool, your Polymaker spool, of course, and a kitchen scale. Kitchen scale is one of the best things I've ever used in 3D printing. You want to make sure you have it set on grams and zeroed out. And the spool weight is 145 grams. So remember, when you weigh this, it's 388 grams. So 388, which 388 minus 145 equals 243. So you actually have enough to print 2 lids if you really want. But what you want to do is take a look in the slicer and see, there we go. I'll show you my math. And make sure that you have enough filament. If it's the case where you don't have enough filament, then you can make a decision whether you want to do part of the lid in one color and then go into the slicer and do the rest of it in another color, or order some more filament. But choose your, to make a good decision. But having a scale and weighing your filament to see if you have enough is something that's really useful.